Hello, lucky friends. I'm Lucky Lisa coming to you from fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. Today I have a $20 Arizona lottery ticket. It's the 230 million cash explosion. Match any of the numbers to the winning numbers and you win that prize. If you get the money bag symbol, you win $100 instantly. If you get the 20x symbol, you get 20 times that prize. So let's get going. Okay. Here we go. Let's see what our numbers are. They are 45, 50, 10, 35, 22, 15, and 4. Okay, let's see if we're going to get it. Let's see, 27, 1, I don't see 1, 37, nope. 42, I had 45, 43. Okay, next row, 12, no 12. No 19, 9, nope. 40, no 40. 30, okay. Next row, 3. Anybody here watching me from Arizona? Drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. 29, 5, nope. 46, no 46. Got 45 up there. 41, okay. So 49, 4, oh, there's a 4, let's see what we got, $10, 13, 11, 10, oh, yep, we got 10, there's another 10, $20, okay, we've got 14, nope, 23, 33, 36, and 8. Well, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay lucky and may fortune always be in your favor. Bye for now.